Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize financial freedom with Dave Ramsey, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize your financial freedom with Dave Ramsey, start by understanding the core principles of his plan. Familiarize yourself with the concept of the 7 baby steps. Step 1. Build a starter emergency fund of $1,000. This fund is essential for unexpected expenses. Step 2. Pay off all debt using the debt snowball method. List your debts from smallest to largest. Focus on paying just the minimum on all debts except for the smallest one. Once that is paid off, move to the next smallest debt. Step 3. Once all debts are cleared, increase your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. This adds a layer of financial security. Step 4. Start investing 15% of your income into retirement accounts. Explore options like a 401k and an IRA. Step 5. Save for your children's education using tax-advantaged accounts. Consider options like 529 plans. Step 6. Pay off your home early. This can provide significant savings on interest over time. Step 7. Build wealth and give generously. Explore opportunities for investments and philanthropic causes. Throughout this process, maintain a budget to track your spending. Utilize tools and resources provided by Dave Ramsey, including budgeting apps. Stay disciplined and committed to your financial goals. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals for support and accountability. Embrace a mindset of perseverance and determination. Achieving financial freedom takes time, but the rewards are life-changing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.